Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math exam in one day. First, quickly review your syllabus and notes to pinpoint the most important topics and formulas. Don't try to relearn everything. Instead, focus on identifying your weakest areas. Gather all your study materials, like textbooks, old homework, and quizzes, so everything is ready to go. This initial step helps you create a clear plan for your limited study time. Next, dive into targeted practice. Don't just read through solutions, actively work through example problems for each key topic. It's crucial to understand the step-by-step process, not just arrive at the correct answer. Pay special attention to problems that resemble those from your quizzes or homework, as these often indicate what might appear on the exam. Aim for a solid 2/3 understanding of the core concepts. Now it's time to solidify your knowledge. Create a concise cheat sheet containing all essential formulas, definitions, and problem-solving steps. This active process helps with memorization. Then, test yourself by trying to recall information without peeking at your notes. Explaining concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, can also reveal gaps in your understanding and reinforce what you've learned. This quick review is vital. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Ensure you get adequate rest, aiming for at least 7 hours of sleep, as a well-rested mind performs better. Eat a balanced meal before the exam to maintain focus and energy. Arrive early at the testing location with all your required materials, such as pencils, a calculator, and any permitted formula sheets. A calm and prepared approach can make a significant difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.